So today we will introduce to you a trigonometry. Let us see. So trigonometry is a branch of mathematics and useful to find answer to the following question. If you want to find out height of a tree, here we use the trigonometry. Same way, height of a building also can be found out. Similarly, the flying kite in the sky, you can find out height from the earth's surface. Same way, we can also find out a plane which is in the air flying, the height of a plane which is from the earth's surface, we can find out. Also, it is very useful in construction of bridges, buildings, all that construction line. Then you all might have heard about lighthouse. So lighthouse is there for observing sea which is coming up and down. So you can also find out height of the lighthouse, also how far the ship is, that also can be observed. The distance between ship and the lighthouse also can be find out with the help of trigonometry. So it is also very useful for finding out distance between the two objects in the word trigonometry is derived from three Greek words. First is tri, which means three, gona means sides, and metron means measurement of that. Let us take an example. Church is there and a boy standing little far away from it. So we use triangular figure, we imagine triangular figure just like this. See here, base and height, and then we try to learn about it, which is very helpful to find out the distance of a boy to the church, height of the church, all that things. If in case it is a building, the same way we form a triangular figure and try to find out trigonometry. So right angle triangle is very important for it. So we will learn about more about it. So here is a triangle ABC, which is a right angle triangle. At B vertex we have right angle. So we can also say that the side opposite to right angle, which we have learnt long back, is known as hypotenuse. Now we have to see the different other two angles. So angle C and A is also there. We will try to find out which is the opposite side of angle ACB. See here, angle C, and now we are finding out opposite side of angle C. So we have opposite side of angle C as AB. Same way, adjacent side we have for angle C as side BC and AC both, because these both sides are forming angle C. Similarly, if I have to go on the other angle, that is angle A, from there we can find out opposite side as BC, and we have adjacent side as AC and AB, as you see in the diagram. But we have given name to AC as a hypotenuse. So we do not consider adjacent side as a hypotenuse. So your adjacent side of angle ACB will become only BC, and adjacent side of angle CAB will become only AB. Why? You know the reason, that AC is a hypotenuse, one name is given to us, so we do not consider it. Now let us talk about the angles of a triangle. So we have done angle B, we have done all the three sides. Let us see what happens to C and A angles. Since it is a right angle triangle, as you know, and from 7th standard we have started using Pythagoras theorem. So since AC is an hypotenuse, so we will get AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. Why? Because AB and BC, they are forming right angle. So your Pythagoras theorem, as you know, the square of the hypotenuse is equals to sum of the square of the sides forming right angle. Now we will talk about angles only because we have talked all the sides. So angle B we have 90 degree. So it is a right angle triangle, as you know. So if one angle is a right angle, then what about the other two angles? Let us find out and know. As you know, sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree, means all the three angles, angle A, angle B, angle C, when we add up, it should be always as a 180 degree. So here is the system, the statement showing that, and then we have angle B as 90. So we are substituting there. So when we are simplifying, we are getting angle C plus angle A equals to 90. Means your angle A and C, when we are adding up, it is giving to you 90 degree. As you know, angle cannot be equals to 0 degree. Therefore, it will have some measurement. That means angle A and C both are less than 90 degree. So what do we call such angles? Acute angles. So angle C and A are acute angles of a right angle triangle ABC, as you can see in the diagram. Now let us take some more things, some more study about these acute angles. If you have assumed angle A as theta, what will be angle C now? Guess. Let us see. When angle A is theta, your angle C will become 90 minus theta. Why? Because you know that angle C plus A is 90 degree. Let us change and see what happens. When I take angle C as theta, I will get angle A as 90 minus theta. The same way as we have seen before. So we have learned all the basics of right angle triangle. We have learned about your sides, and in this we have learned about the angle. Where other places we can use trigonometry, the practical things. We all stand and walk on the road, then our shadow forms, as you know. What happens in that? When the shadow forms, again you can form a two triangle, and those two triangle with the shadow and the yourself will be similar. That's why I had given you example that if a pole is there in a ground, its shadow is falling, so you can get two triangles and both the triangles will be similar. Similarly, if any tree is there, you can find that the shadow of it is rotating as per the sun is movement. Therefore, you get the height of tree as well as the height of the shadow. Both you can compare, you will get the two similar triangle. Now, if you want, you can do one activity in your notebook so that you can get clear view and you can understand better when I will give you introductory terms of trigonometry. You can draw a two triangles, that is triangle ABC and triangle PQR, such that angle B and Q equals to 90 degree and angle C and R will be 30 degree. You need one side for the construction. So let us say BC is 6 centimeter you can take and QR as 3 centimeter. Then you need to find out the length of all the other remaining sides, whichever is given to you. Whichever you get the triangle, you can write down the name values, find the length of each side and write down to it and answer these questions. Find the ratio of opposite side with hypotenuse from both the triangles and then find the ratio of adjacent side with hypotenuse from both the triangles. Find the ratio of opposite side with the adjacent side from both the triangles. If you want, you can form a table in that, try to do it. Clear? So you will get a nice chance to understand better way which is adjacent side, which is opposite side, which angle you are taking, and which is hypotenuse. Same thing you can repeat for your one more triangle of your own choice. Only thing, you can take the same triangle and the base angle what I have given to you 30, that can be replaced by 45. Please do the actual construction. You will enjoy it, and we will see you with the next video with the new concept.